welcome aboard the SolarYacht 90 in Berlin.
Floating on the water, I feel so free. On this houseboat yacht, it's the place to be. 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine. Luxurious living. This life is all mine.
Come with me. I want to show you inside. Living room with home cinema. Look at the saloon. Table integrated with the kitchen. A complete kitchen with induction cooktop, refrigerator, dishwasher, freezer, electric oven, and even a Thermomix. Guest bathroom. And here, the master bedroom. Check this out. And behind this door, the master bathroom. Look at this. Shower with a view.
Hope you enjoyed this episode and room tour on board the SolarYacht. Follow us to discover more beautiful interior designs that create a unique lifestyle on the water like any other yacht.
I hope you liked the tour on the SolarYacht 90 in Berlin. And comment below what did you think about this boat, and follow us for more boat content.